A national flag is not just a piece of cloth. It is the symbol that keeps us united, strong, and connected to our nation. Every country is symbolized with a national flag. Flag of each country contains different color, design, and meaning. The national flag of every country deserves the respect of all of its citizens. I, Anupama Dey, from Active Aviation Academy Guwahati, have chosen today the flag of the beautiful and heavenly country Scotland. Scotland comes under United Kingdom of Great Britain. Now, I will explain you how beautiful this country is and what does the flag of this country mean. The flag of Scotland is a white X-shaped cross, which represents the cross of the patron saint of Scotland, Saint Andrew on a blue field. This flag is also called as Saltire or Saint Andrew's Cross. Scotland is a country that is well known for its mesmerizing natural beauty. The population of this country is near about 54 lakhs. Edinburgh is the capital of Scotland and Glasgow is the biggest city of this country. This country has maximum population of people with red hair. World's shortest scheduled airline flight is also in this country. Most Scots are proud nationalists who resent England's political and cultural dominations. The official language of Scotland is English, although Gaelic is the primary language and the traditional language of Scotland. The bagpipe is the national instrument of Scotland and is best represented in the music of the Scottish Highlands, presenting one of the beautiful Scottish traditional dance. Scotland has a typical cuisine often based on traditional food. Porridge is the dish of boiled oatmeal eaten for breakfast. Haggis is the most well-known food of Scotland and Scottish whisky is world famous in beverage industry. Tourist plays an important role in Scottish economy. The oldest tree in Europe is also in Scotland and modern golf was also started in this place. Due to its beautiful scenario and historic places, this country always attracts tourists. Edinburgh Castle and Stirling Castle are world famous for its beauty. Glasgow Science Centre is also a very attractive tourist place. There are two reasons why Scotland is my favorite. One, because of its beautiful scenario, and second one is the people that you can see in this screen. Once, when I was working in IBA as a LO of Scotland team, I was amazed by their behavior and started fantasizing this country. I really love this country because of them and want to visit them soon in my life.